Boy, back on our YouTube video. Today's video is going to be another unboxing back to back. So yeah, as you can see, we got a High Point firearms, we got a High Point carbine 995. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So in the box it comes with, I opened it, we got it today, we looked at it. Comes with the sling, comes with the manual, and then there's the gun. When you first get it, you gotta put this in. Then it comes with the tool. It's easy. But yeah, this is how it looks. High Point. You can see High Point firearms. I don't know if you can see it. It says 9mm. But yeah, this actually looks. There's the front sights. And there's. We already took the stickers off of it. Let's throw this box out so you guys can see it better. So, let's hold on. Let's reach you up here. Hold on. Put you up here. So there's the sights. As you've seen, they're yellow. A lot of people say that these sights don't wipe off like usually the coloring wipes off, but it don't. And it comes with a 10-round standard mag. But we bought two other mags, which you can see over there. I opened one and one's still closed, and then we bought another mag for the Sky CBX2 9mm. But we're not talking about that gun. We're talking about this gun. So it has this safety. And I mean, it's an okay safety. It ain't bad. The only thing I don't like about it is it's pretty short. Like, you can't make it come out more. Got this little, to help the recoil, like a little pad. Yeah, and then it has a threaded barrel, which as you can see. Yeah, and that's really all about the high. Oh, look, and then it got the symbol right here. Comment down below, have you ever had a High Point carbine 9mm or 45 ACP or 10mm? Yeah, I think they just sell them in those, or in 380, or any High Point in general. Just comment down below and tell me if you guys had it and what, if you guys liked it or not. But I think, my opinion, just about Glocks, just like Glocks, I said Taurus is better than Glocks, which is, you can see on the right side, there's a Taurus G2C. Right now, the best carbine, in my opinion, in 9mm, is a High Point carbine 995. So now, let's look at the mags. So now I do see a lot of people saying that these mags are trash. They are reliable, but if you drop them, you're gonna have to buy more. So we bought two. We bought Red Ball High Point Firearms 995/995 TS carbine, 20-round mags, and chamber 9mm, and this is how they look like. Now they just look like they put them together with tape. That's what everyone says. The lips are different, kinda. The lips are kinda different, you can see. This is 20. This is 10. Let's see how it looks like in the carbon. That's how it looks like. And now, a lot of people said it's hard to clean, and I'm going to see when we shoot it. One last thing I gotta show you is this. It's not what this video is about. It's about unboxing the Hi-Point, but we got a extended mag for my mom's CPX2 9mm, 32 rounds, not loaded. So yeah, Low Air Squad, like and subscribe, and let's go shoot the Hi-Point carbine at the shooting range.
Oh,
What's up, Low Air Squad? It's gonna be my first mag dump with the Hi-Point 995
flash
9mm. So let's get straight into it. Everyone like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. Low Air Squad is out. Peace out.